The Jamaica Broilers group of companies is a 50-year-old company, a blue-chip Jamaican company. We specialize primarily in the production and distribution of protein products. We are the largest producer and distributor of chicken in the Caribbean, and we also produce beef and freshwater fish products.
Okay, when we had the old system, we saw the need for improvement in terms of our customer service. With this system, there's actually a template where the customer can see their order, and each case has a serial number that is traceable. And in fact, that's very important now because the hotels and the fast food industries, they are asking more and more for traceability.
The implementation process with multi-systems was one in which they pretty much provided us with a total package, which included project management from start to finish. So they actually took ownership of the project, and they just operated in such a way to make sure that we got exactly what we needed.
The project was divided in two phases. The first one was to provide a Salesforce automation where we load the truck and create exact invoices of the amount of goods that are delivered to each customer and collect the money for that deliveries. The second phase was to provide a warehouse management solution where we ensure the first in, first out rule on the warehouse.
Is that we are no longer tethered to a desktop. We can basically perform any of the point of sale transactions anywhere on the island. That has been a most significant benefit. The other benefit is that our truckers originally spent 1 to 2 hours daily reconciling their data that was manually taken. Now we are capable of having the sales transactions recorded immediately, and there is really no time spent doing reconciliation.
The system has benefited us under 3 main headings. First of all, we have received benefits in efficiencies. We're now able to reconcile what we received at the end of the day compared to what production has sent over on the production line. We're now able to cut our loading times in about half. For food safety, there's now a push in Jamaica for systems like CASAP and ISO, which requires traceability of products. This system has enabled us to effectively trace the product from production directly to the consumer. In terms of security, managing a warehouse holding over 1.3 million kilos of product, chicken, beef and fish, can be a security challenge. With this system, we're able to readily identify where products are at all times. We can conduct stock counts quickly and efficiently.
When we consider what we would need for the future, which is not an easy thing to do right now, we realize that our needs evolve over the years. What we needed 10 years ago is not what we need, is not what we need now. And which is why it's very important that we chose the right solution provider. And Motorola is the kind of company that is always on the cutting edge of technology. So we feel confident that whatever our needs evolve into, that our partner will be able to move along with us and satisfy those needs.
Motorola has a name in the market, and we have been using data over cellular networks now for maybe 2 years. We plan to continue to use their technologies. One of the benefits of partnering with Motorola is that they will expose us to any new technology which is on the market, and we plan to take advantage of that. We're a first mover in the Caribbean region, and so we plan to partner with vendors who are also first movers and who can expose us to leading edge technologies.